Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting on the watch itself, so begin with basics. Unlock the watch and confirm it has power and recent updates. This prevents unexpected prompts. Once done, press the digital crown and tap settings to open system controls. You do this because screen time lives inside Watch OS settings and cannot always be disabled remotely without the device present. Make sure you can enter your passcode if one set, and then tap Screen Time to move to the controls you'll change next. Once you've opened Screen Time, review the current restrictions briefly so you know what's being removed. This helps avoid losing useful downtime or app limits you intended to keep. Then tap Turn Off Screen Time. Watch OS asks for confirmation and may require your watch passcode or Apple ID credentials to proceed. If you're using family sharing, you may see Parent Manage Settings. In that case, you'll need the organizer's approval. After confirming, the watch will stop enforcing limits and restore full access. Finish by checking that Screen Time now reads off inside settings. That's your visual confirmation the change took. If it didn't stick, make sure your iPhone isn't imposing parental controls via family sharing. Those override local changes. Contact the family organizer to change permissions. If permissions look fine but Screen Time won't disable, restart the watch and ensure Watch OS is updated, then try again. If problems persist, sign out and back into iCloud on the paired iPhone to clear sync issues before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.